His driver was right about Bulstrode. Today the barge was more bad-tempered than ever. Come on, why aren't you trucks where you should be? There's no engine and we can only go where we're put, shouted the trucks. You're in the wrong place, not us. When Percy arrived, Bulstrode was sulking and the trucks were crosser still. Our stone is for Bulstrode. Please, put us in a siding so that we can load him up and be rid of him. But the trucks were being careless. As Percy was lining them up, they burst through some buffers. Help! Help! They wailed. But it was too late.